Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are using Android phone Redmi Note 10, Redmi Note 10 Pro, and another Redmi and Xiaomi and Samsung, Walton and Symphony mobile phone. But 2 years, 3 years use this phone and not external memory use. Suddenly, Android phone, office, different apps update and your internet connection or Wi-Fi connection on and automatically update these apps and version. When update by install it update version, then solo your mobile phone hang and very slow. So this problem face any people, then this video watching, hopefully your problem is solved. First, your mobile phone setting icon, search and click. When get setting icon, then click and this interface showing your mobile phone display. Now search option, type additional settings option and click. First option, additional setting, click and lower side showing factor reset, and when get factor reset and this interface showing your mobile phone display. It is all data, this click this option and all data remove your mobile phone. So when factor reset your mobile, then save contact, photo, apps, account, backup, SD card, total information, copy another device and your factory reset your mobile phone. When factory reset your mobile phone, then complete factory reset mobile phone, then new way this and first your mobile phone. Thank you watching my video.